Good morning, Mrs. Mama.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. It is time for Phrase of the Day. It's been a couple days.
Yeah.
So it's Phrase of the Week.
Yeah, and they're gonna be a little while for the next one.
Yeah, we're going to have to figure something out because today's my last day of work. I go on summer vacation starting tomorrow. So for the next 6 weeks, I don't have to do this. I don't have to drive in the morning. So we have to figure something out. Probably be a lot more H2H videos than phrases, but maybe we'll do them at home. Definitely won't do them in the morning. No. Somebody has a short fuse in the morning.
No, that's not true.
Anyway, the phrase of the day is don't big breath me.
Have to.
The phrase of the day for today is a request from Martin One Blade.
Okay.
And it is
Cool name.
nothing to sneeze at. Nothing to sneeze at.
Sneeze at.
Yeah, now this is actually take 2. We did this the other day. And I ended up throwing the video away because we screwed it up, blah, blah, blah. Anyway.
I tried to act, but it didn't work.
That's okay.
You spoiled it.
That's okay.
Yeah, I didn't know before the first one, the first take. I didn't know what that meant.
Yeah.
No,
Anyway, so for people out there that don't know what it means, nothing to sneeze at is something that shouldn't be ignored or dismissed as being nothing.
That's right.
Okay, so for example, if somebody, if you get $100, now $100 isn't a whole lot of money, but it's nothing to sneeze at. You don't want to, I mean, it's not nothing, right? It's a decent amount of money. It's not a life changer. You know, you're not going to retire or quit your job or anything over $100, but it's nothing to sneeze at.
Right.
You can get a couple good dinners out of that, right? Or maybe help pay a bill. Okay, so Mrs. Mully in the Japonés.
Okay, well, because I searched about it on the first day. I found some phrases for Japanese.
Okay.
Keishi dekinai.
Do what?
Keishi dekinai.
Keishi dekinai.
You can.
What is dekinai? Is you can't do it. So what is?
Keishi is underestimating things. Just don't judge by the surface or stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah. Or baka ni dekinai.
Baka ni dekinai. I like that.
Or
I like that.
yeah, I think that's better. Baka ni
don't. Yeah, baka is like foolish.
Yeah, but
or useless or you know, things like that. So yeah,
it's not big deal. You look like it's nothing big deal.
Yeah, don't treat it as if it's useless or foolish or whatever, right? Yeah. Gotcha. I like that.
些細なことではない。
Huh?
些細なことではない。
Sasai? Na?
ことではない。
Koto de wa nai. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
sorry.
she cursed.
Sorry.
This is a family channel.
I'm sorry. My iPhone closed, so I type in a passcode and I screwed it twice.
Oops.
3 times already.
3 times it locks the phone up, doesn't it?
I think 10 times.
Oh, you get 10 times? Boy, that's awfully generous.
Okay, we opened. Whew.
Careful with that.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to use it, but I installed this app called PayPay. It's a very popular app now. It's like a wallet. You can charge. You can pay
things with your phone.
But you can register credit cards or bank accounts that you automatically recharge or charge anytime you needed money to pay through it. So they highly recommended that you should use the passcode.
Right. So nobody can get into your PayPay account.
So that's why I set it on my iPhone. Anyway, so go back to the track. バカにできない is probably more common way to say it.
Yeah, I like that. That sounds good. Okay, well, we will leave it at that then.
Okay.
All right. Well, hope you guys got something out of that. Make sure you smash that like button. And, yeah, we will see you guys soon.
That's it.
Oh, make sure you smile and get out there and say hello to somebody.
Hello.
And then we will see you guys shortly. Soon.
Hope to see you soon.
Very soon. Not tomorrow, though. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. You'll see me.
Well, tomorrow's Friday, so
Right.
I'll probably be in better mood.
I've got
than
to...
today.
Maybe. You might be in a better mood than you are today because it's Friday.
Uh-huh.
But it's also the beginning of a 40-day weekend for me.
That just put me down. Just that. Not fair.
Yeah, well, it's the advantage of being a teacher. Okay, well, but I'm not really off work. I just don't have to go to school in the morning.
Right.
I still have my private lessons and my Skype and all that, so I'm not free. It's just my mornings will be a little clear. Get to hang out with Opie.
Work at the home.
Yep. Yeah, I'll do some morning Skype lessons. I've already got one scheduled.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Next Monday at 1 o'clock. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, all right, guys. Well, we will see you later.
Bye-bye.
Once again, smash that like button, smile, get out there, say hello to somebody, and we will see you guys later. Don't let your meatloaf.